Why Mars?
Which sounds mad, I know that.
No, it doesn't sound
yeah.
mad. It just sounds difficult.
Yeah, it's very difficult.
So what is it about Mars that makes it even plausible?
Well, and Mars is similar in a lot of ways to Earth. If we were to warm Mars up and then convert the carbon dioxide atmosphere to oxygen, which plants do naturally, then over time we could make Mars look a lot like Earth. Certainly, one would call it a fixer-upper of a planet, but it's possible to establish life as we know it on Mars.
The gravitational pull of the sun keeps Earth from flying off into space. Earth's gravity keeps us firmly planted on the ground. This all seems real enough. But scientists are peering deep into the fabric of the universe and are discovering that gravity may not be what it seems to be.
See? Do you ever want to go to space?
I really shouldn't be doing this.
Can something feel real but not actually be real? It's a mantra. If we can imagine it, we can do it. Whatever we can imagine, we can do. Fact. 5 times has the ocean completely eliminated life on the planet, except in, maybe not except in the ocean.
Right, most of the life on the planet has been wiped out, yeah.
Wiped out. How does the ocean do that? I think the ocean is sentient. There is entirely too much going on in there for it not to be. Now consider this for a minute and a half. What if the ocean really is aware of itself? Then it's aware of what we are doing to it. If it's aware of what we're doing to it, how is it going to respond? I'm trying to keep up, so we're looking for other signs of life in the universe. We have discovered hundreds of star systems with planets. Help us answer the question, how do we get to Mars? To me, one of the mysteries of my life.
That's a really good question. I mean, there's definitely a few ways of looking at that. One, of course, is we need the technology. We need the ability to have life support that lasts for many years, not many years, but 3 or 4 years possibly, that's robust. It has all the parts on board that can make us there. We need protection from when we're outside the Earth's Van Halen belts.
So even though we see 16 sunrises and sunsets a day, our bodies are fairly well adjusted to spaceflight, and it's a fairly Earth-based schedule for us.
Thank you very much. Isaac Newton showed that every object with mass attracts every other object with mass. The greater the mass and the closer they are, the greater the gravitational attraction. I've come to the Biblioteca Castelnatense near the Vatican to meet an expert in early Christianity. I'm Morgan.
Hi, Morgan. How are you?
I'm well. Can we talk?
I am talking to you.
Of course. So tell me about you. Why would you like to be human?
If I was human, I could travel the world and have fun. I hope to be fully human someday. Morgan.
Who are you?
How are you?
I'm well.
I am Bina Rothblatt.
Do you have your own thinking mechanism? Do you think?
I think I would like to be a human.
I know.
Not many people express themselves that way. Wow.
I'm special.
You are special. There is nobody like you.
Good. Science is now quantifying death, even defining the soul. The afterlife, something that has fascinated us since the dawn of religion, now seems tangible. There's still no way to escape physical death. Einstein believed that space-time could bend. This distortion is what we experience as gravity. Luckily for Nergus, bodies much more massive than apples cause a stir in the heavens. I'll learn the true purpose
and following after your dream, and there will be sacrifices along the way. The sacrifices that I have done have brought my dream closer to me, and without them, who knows, my dream could have faded away.